Welcome to Project Bastyx, where you get the hardest gist and entertainment stories, and we never do surface level here. Every single video we go deep, we go behind the headlines, behind the press releases, behind the carefully worded statements, and we really want to find out what's actually going on. If you're new here, you find the right channel, and if you've been rocking with us, you already know what time it is. Please like and subscribe because it helps the channel grow, and for further ado, let's get into it. Tony Buzbee just lost. A Texas judge dismissed every single lawsuit his firm filed against Roc Nation. And right now the internet is split down the middle. Half of the people are saying Jay-Z is finally winning, the other half saying doesn't change anything. And the real story is still out there, that the case being dismissed doesn't mean the allegations just disappear. So today, we're going through all of it. The original allegations, the Wikipedia scandal, the $119 million, the fake death threats, and the shadowy investigators showing up at people's houses. Let's go back in December 2024, attorney Tony Buzbee, who had been one of the most aggressive lawyers in the Diddy scandal, files a brand new lawsuit, and this one names Jay-Z. The lawsuit alleged that Jay-Z and Sean Diddy Combs sexually assaulted a girl at an after party following the 2000 MTV Music Video Awards. Jay-Z denied it immediately and publicly. He called it a blackmail attempt, and he was furious. And not in a no comment kind of way, he went full on record. He said these allegations were designed to destroy his name, and he was not going to sit quietly while this happened. And just 2 months later, Jane Doe voluntarily dismissed the lawsuit against Jay-Z and prejudiced in February 2025, meaning those specific claims cannot be refiled against him. Roc Nation posted in social media, "Today is a victory. The frivolous, fictitious, and appalling allegations have been dismissed." But here's what most people stop paying attention, because what happened after the dismissal, that is where it gets dark. Jay-Z amended his defamation lawsuit against Buzbee and Jane Doe, claiming he lost at least $190 million in income, credits, and loan because of his allegations. He lost contracts in sports, entertainment worth at least $20 million, and was denied a $55 million personal credit line. In the Roc Nation, his company was denied a $150 million loan, and many other things. Now, because of the lawsuit that was eventually dropped. Now, whether you believe Jay-Z or not, that's a number of significance, because it tells you how much damage his allegations did to his businesses, his relationships, before the single thing was proven in court. But it doesn't stop there, because Jay-Z's team dropped something that nobody was expecting. The amended lawsuit revealed that Buzbee directed his own employees to edit Wikipedia pages, making over 100 positive edits to Buzbee's own page while simultaneously doctoring Jay-Z and Roc Nation's pages to damage their reputation. They tracked the IP addresses that were linked to Buzbee's law firm. Buzbee called it laughable. He said the claims were weak, but Jay-Z's team pointed to a TikTok video Jane Doe posted after dropping the case, where she appeared lip-syncing to an audio saying, "You couldn't pay me $1 million to get an apology video out of me." I stand on what I said. She dropped the case, but she's still standing on it. And then, the most explosive allegation of all, Jay-Z's team accused Buzbee and co-counsel David Forney of telling Jane Doe that Jay-Z had threatened to kill her, which they claim is what pushed her to drop the case. The same day Buzbee failed to prove he was authorized to practice law at the New York court where the case was filed, a fake death threat to get the case dismissed, so nobody could notice Buzbee wasn't licensed to be there. If that's true, then it is not just a legal scandal, it's a man manufacturing fear to cover his own tracks. So here's where we are. Jay-Z's accuser dropped her case, and the lawsuit against Roc Nation just got dismissed. On paper, it's like Jay-Z's winning. But there are investigators who showed up at someone's house. There are Wikipedia pages that allegedly edited from inside a law firm. These $190 million claims of losses from the cases that the supposedly baseless, and there is a woman who dropped a lawsuit but is still publicly saying she stands on what she said. You tell me, does this feel like something that's over? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to know. Do you think Jay-Z is truly innocent, or do you think people having money and power just want another round? Like this video, share it, and subscribe to Project Bastyx. This is the kind of content we do here. No sugarcoating, no sides, just a full story. I'll see you in the next one.